Good day, everyone, and welcome to Elite Currency Weekly Trading Ideas. My name is Nenad, and now, guys, currently we have a couple of running trades. Basically, what we see here is the price literally in the zone, and I am waiting for a move down. Still, it's a bit slow market, and the slowness of the market is due to the market waiting for the FOMC. So currently I'm running two trades, both are Australian dollar yen, two positions. Stop loss is 85.03 and the target is 82.20. We also had meeting minutes later in the night, but I'm waiting for a bearish move here because in my opinion, Australian dollar yen should be going down exactly in the zone for a selling. We have a zigzag, a lower high, lower low, and I expect further continuation to the downside. Although, as I say, markets are very, very choppy. I mean, not choppy, but generally slow. On the other hand, no new setups and no new trades I see today. First, because the markets are very slow. It's like a bank holiday today. Nothing is happening. There are two possible scenarios for euro dollar. If the euro dollar comes close to 2070, I expect a drop. So in this zone, I expect to see a drop. If the market gets a little bit lower, maybe from 1870, we will see a bounce. Currently, the market is in no man's land. The GBP dollar is, for me, setting up for a long trade. If the market drops close to 38.25, I will be looking to go long, and the target will be around 39.65. So for me, at this point, GBP dollar is setting up for a long. But before I see a long, I want to see a drop towards this zone and a clear signal that market is going to reverse. Of course, clear signal is given by either my own systems or your own. You need to watch it. Or you can sign up, of course, for ecsLIVE on our website. You can also check our trading performance here on the ecsLIVE page. On my FX book, you can see my trading performance. I will show you here on my Telegram group. You can see very nice profits, 38% currently in gain, and we are always making very, very nice profits. So you can sign up, of course, for those on our website, elitecurrency.com, and of course choose one of our packages, what we offer here. If you sign up, of course, as a part of ecsLIVE trading group, you will have complete money management, trade management, every signal given as I trade it too. Okay, so let's continue. GBP dollar. So my expectation is that the price is going to bounce. I don't think that markets are going to be very active today, but just in case, we might expect some movement in the market. Other than these guys, dollar CAD, for example, is setting up for a long. But before I make a long position, I want to see a little bit more price to the upside, and then I want to see a down move so I can initiate a long. For every trade that I make, I want to see a clear zigzag to the upside, a retracement, and then a move to the upside. A couple of months ago, I switched to 4-hour trading, which gives me bigger flexibility, and combining 4-hour trading with intra-week and intraday setups, I'm able literally to trade 4-hour time frame, both as intraday and intra-week setups. So for this case, my opinion is that it's a great thing that we are able to combine 1 hour and 4-hour trading literally on the same time frame. And the last, I want to also make a long in the euro Australian dollar. Unfortunately, I missed the long. The market has been retracing. If I see a move towards 53.50, I will be opening euro Australian dollar. Yes, and currently the last thing that I see is gold. I want to short gold. I will tell you exactly where. So I will drop actually. I will tell you right now. If the market gets to my ATR high, which is the projected zone in a confluence around 1740, 1750. This is the place where I will be looking for short trades. For me, gold is only short. I don't see any longs. So I maybe if the market drops to 1687, this can be a nice long. But anyway, it's closer to 1740, 50. If it gets there, I'm going to make a short trade. I think until FOMC, markets will be very, very slow. But then again, guys, this is how it is. Pay attention to volatility. If you are in profit, protect your trades. And of course, be patient. So guys, I will see you soon. Until then, cheers and trade safe, and sign up for ecsLIVE 2 for a full trade management. See you.